effective? 2 invites a day. Stand if you can do 2 invites a day.
I just don't feel like standing up.
Okay, thank you. Can you do 2 invites a day?
Everybody else is standing up, and I just feel like swimming up against the street.
And that's good. So let me ask you, thank you for being honest.
Yeah.
Do you feel you can do 2 invites a day?
Oh, I can do more than that.
Awesome. We were already done before, but I didn't ask properly how to survey the room. Thank you very much for that feedback. Okay, so it sounds like we're there maybe at 4 invites a day. Millionaire in a year with 70% effectiveness. Okay? But if there are people that can't do that, the whole point of this is we're duplicating the system. There will be people that will get to 100% effectiveness, 50% effectiveness. AOMA is what solves that. All-out massive action. It's been taught it's been taught as I understand for years in network marketing and in ECAN. But you don't need quite the same AOMA if you have the skills. AOMA is good. It's a great way to start. And I highly recommend doing a burst at first because you know what? Not only getting songs, you're learning the skills. That to me is the real reason for that AOMA, that all-out massive action when you just get started or activated to go do it, because you just get better at these skills and your upline coaches are around helping you with the 21 Club and all that kind of stuff and you're learning from them and your skill level goes whoop, 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 whoop. And now it gets easier.
For purely selfish reasons, is it possible to do this more visual? You know, like if you're one person and you have 2 people come in
Yes.
and make it more visual, because for me this doesn't work. I really couldn't share it with my downline. You know what I mean? So if it was something that was saying the same exact things,
Right.
but with something that's a little bit more visual.
A comic book.
A comic book would be perfect. That would be absolutely perfect. It would be so easy to share with most people, except for that one small little group that was sitting in the front. It would be so much easier to share with people. I know this is just something that you guys put together, but for the future, because so many people are much, much more visual than a spreadsheet with numbers on it. Because my basic tendency, even though I understand everything you're saying, I look at it and I just shut down.
Way to go, Devon.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Will you help me?
there is one.
I'm not very articulate
Yes.
anymore.
There is a big chart.
Excuse me a moment. Who will help me with that?
Good.
Awesome. Because it's not necessarily my skill. I have to force myself to get visual as I did with the presentation yesterday, and the graphics were still pretty babyish, but at least there were some visuals. It's not necessarily mine.
Okay.
That